Welcome students to class 3 subtraction session 3.5 word problems. A little about myself. My undying passion for educating children, and given the circumstances that my own children have grown up, I would like to dedicate myself to spreading love for maths. In today's session, we will do word problems based on subtraction. Example 1. Ranbir and Aarti collected a total of 578 coins. Out of these, 349 coins were collected by Ranbir. How many coins did Aarti collect? Now in this question, we are talking about coins. And we will read the question in portions, that is one line at a time. The first line says, Ranbir and Aarti collected a total of 578 coins. Now, just ask yourself, what are they trying to tell us in the first sentence? They are trying to tell us about the coins collected by Ranbir and Aarti. That is what is going to be our statement. First statement, we'll write coins collected by Ranbir and Aarti is equal to 579. So making statements is not difficult. You just have to read this information in bits, and whatever information is given, that only we have to write. Then the second sentence is, out of these, 349 coins were collected by Ranbir. So in the second sentence, they are telling us coins collected by Ranbir are 349. So we will write that only. Coins collected by Ranbir is equal to 349. Now, when you're writing these statements, make sure you write the numbers one below the other. Going back to the question, how many coins did Aarti collect? So here we have to find out coins collected by Aarti. So we will write that only, coins collected by Aarti. Now, this is going to be from total. If we subtract the coins collected by Ranbir, we will get the coins collected by Aarti. So we will subtract. Now to subtract, we start always from the ones column. 8 minus 9. We cannot do 8 minus 9. So we will borrow from the neighbor 7. We will cut 7, write 6 on top. We will cut 8, write 18 on top. 18 minus 9 will give us 9. Then we'll do 6 minus 4, which will give us 2. Then going to the last column, 5 minus 3, that will again give us 2. Now we have got the number of coins collected by Aarti. We'll write the answer, 229 coins. Now in this question, in case they ask us to write the number sentence, then we will write 578 minus 349 is equal to 229. Now students, let us do a worksheet. Worksheet 3.5, question 1. A shopkeeper has 428 chocolates in his shop. He sold 315 chocolates in a day. How many chocolates are left? Write the number sentence. So this question is about chocolates. They have given us the total number of chocolates in a shop, and after that in the second statement they have told how many chocolates are sold. So we will subtract and find out how many chocolates are still left in the shop. Question 2. A bookseller sells 563 books on Monday. On Tuesday, he sells 129 lesser books. How many books were sold on Tuesday? Now, this question is about books. And on Monday, a shopkeeper is selling 563 books. Next day, that is on Tuesday, he is selling 129 less than 563. So, you will subtract and find the number of books sold on Tuesday. Question 3. Ajit read 672 pages of his storybook. The book contains 764 pages. This question is about one book in which total number of pages is 764 and Ajit has read 672 pages. Here you have to be careful that you write information related to the second sentence first. Then you can put a minus sign and subtract directly. And even if you write otherwise, there is no problem. But then you'll have to subtract in a separate place. You'll have to write below and then subtract. Question 4. A school has 637 students. Number of boys in the school are 389. Find the number of girls in the school. This is easy. Question 5. Indian team scores 327 runs in a cricket match. England scores 258 runs in reply. By how many runs did Indian cricket team win the match? Now this question is about a cricket match. They have told about the runs scored by Indian team and the runs scored by the England team. We have to find out by how many runs did the Indian team win. Question 6. By how much is 426 less than 611? So you will subtract and find the answer. Solutions to worksheet 3.5. Question 1. A shopkeeper has 428 chocolates in his shop. He sold 315 chocolates in a day. How many chocolates are left? Write the number sentence. We will read the first sentence. A shopkeeper has 428 chocolates in a shop. So the first sentence is telling us about the chocolates in a shop. That is exactly what is our first statement. Chocolates in a shop is equal to 428. Second sentence in the question, he sold 315 chocolates in a day. So the second piece of information is chocolates sold in a day. So we will write chocolates sold is equal to 315. Then we'll again refer to the question, how many chocolates are left? We have to tell about what number of chocolates are left. So we will write chocolates left is equal to, we'll subtract to find the answer. Now we start from the ones column, 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 3, 1. So our answer is 113 chocolates. But in the question they have asked, write the number sentence. So we will write 428 minus 315 is equal to 113. Question 2. A bookseller sells 563 books on Monday. On Tuesday, he sells 129 lesser books. How many books were sold on Tuesday? Let us look at the first statement. A bookseller sells 563 books on Monday. So they are telling us about books sold on Monday. We will write that books sold on Monday is equal to 563. In sentence, they are telling us the number of books that are sold less on Tuesday. So lesser books sold on Tuesday is equal to 129. Now let us look at the last statement in the question. How many books were sold on Tuesday? So we will write books sold on Tuesday, and to find that number we'll have to subtract from the books sold on Monday. Because on Tuesday the bookseller is selling 129 books less. So we will subtract 129. To subtract, we'll start from the ones column. 3 minus 9, we cannot do 3 minus 9, so we will cut 6, write 5 on top, cut 3, write 13 on top. We have borrowed from 6. 13 minus 9 will give us 4. Then we will do 5 minus 2, which will give us 3. Then 5 minus 1, that will give us 4. So our answer is 434 books. Question 3. Ajit read 672 pages of his storybook. The book contains 764 pages. How many pages are still to be read? In this question, I had told you we have to write the information in the second statement first. So we will write pages in book is equal to 764. Then after this, we will go to the first statement which says Ajit read 672 pages of his storybook. So now we will write pages read is equal to 672, because in the first statement they are telling us about the pages read by Ajit. Again back to the question, how many pages are still to be read? So pages left. And to find the number of pages left from total number of pages, we will subtract the number of pages he has already read. So we will get the number of pages that are left. So we will subtract 4 minus 2 will give us 2. From 6 we cannot subtract 7. So we will borrow from the neighbor. We'll cut 7, write 6 on top. And that 1 from the hundreds place, when we bring it to the tens column, it will become 10 tens. 10 tens plus 6 tens will become 16. So we'll cut 6, write 16. 16 minus 7 will give us 9. Then going on to the hundreds column, 6 minus 6, 0. So 92 pages are left. Question 4. A school has 637 students. Number of boys in the school are 389. Find the number of girls in the school. We will read the first sentence. A school has 637 students. In this sentence, the information given to us is students in school. That is what we will write as the first statement. Students in school is equal to 637. Then going back to the question, number of boys in the school are 389. So boys in school is equal to 389. They have told us about boys in school in the second statement. That information only we are writing in the form of a statement. After that, we will again go back to the question. Find the number of girls in the school. So we will subtract and find our answer. Now going to the ones column, 7 minus 9, we cannot do that. So we will borrow from the tens column. We'll cut 3, write 2 on top. We'll cut 7, write 17 on top. 17 minus 9 will give us 8. Then in the tens column, 2 minus 8, we cannot do that. So we will cut 6, write 5 on top, and cut this 2 and write 12 on top. From 12 we can subtract 8, we get 4. Then 5 minus 3, that will give us 2. So the number of girls we get as 248 girls. Question 5. Indian cricket team scores 327 runs in a cricket match. England scores 258 runs in reply. By how many runs did the Indian cricket team win the match? So again we'll read the information in bits. First bit of information here is Indian cricket team scores 327 runs in a cricket match. In the first sentence, they have told us about runs scored by Indian team. So we will write runs scored by Indian team is equal to 327. In the second statement, we will write about what information is given to us in the second sentence. England scores 258 runs. So runs scored by England team is equal to 258. Now, Indian team has won because it has got more runs. By how many runs did it win? That we have to find out. If we see the question, by how many runs did the Indian team win the match? So, we will write extra runs is equal to subtract and find the answer. Looking at the ones column, 7 minus 8, we cannot do that. So, we will cut 2, write 1 on top, cut 7, write 17 on top. From 17, we can subtract 8. We get 9. Now from 1 we cannot subtract 5, so we will cut 3, write 2 on top, cut this 1, write 11 on top. From 11 we can subtract 5. When we subtract we get 6 as answer. So we write 6 here. Then 2 minus 2 will give us 0. So Indian team has won by 69 runs. Question 6. By how much is 426 less than 611? So the larger number is 611. We write that. The smaller number is 426. Then we write that. We will subtract and find the difference. So from 1 you cannot subtract 6. So you will cut this 1, write 0 on top. Cut this 1, write 11 on top. 11 minus 6 will give us 5. Then from 0 you can't subtract 2. So we cut this 6, write 5 on top. Cut this 0, write 10 on top. 10 minus 2 will give us 8. Then 5 minus 4 will give us 1. So the answer is 185. This brings us to the end of the worksheet. Until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.